Hey Daniel, I'm really awkward, so I'm gonna try to do this without making a huge fool of myself. No promises though. I didn't want to write a rhyming poem to express what's in my head, but rhyming poems are whimsical and sound better when they're read. It didn't say it would be good, I just promised it would rhyme, and maybe if I'm lucky, I'll throw in a funny line. I don't think I've ever laughed as much as I have since meeting you. You make my world a lighter place, even when I'm feeling blue. So I think that this poem is perfect for you and I, because I'm way too serious, and I don't want to make you cry. I can't help but smile when I think of how you stayed, and I'm sorry I took forever. I was in a winter haze. You're teaching me a lot of things, like how to keep pushing forward, and the times I want to call it quits to my goals you push me toward. I don't know if you've noticed, but I'm really proud of you for your job, your goals, your achievements, and all the hard work that you do. Now I think I need to warn you of who I am behind closed doors, so that when I drool all over your pillow, it doesn't start up any wars. My feet are flat, my back is bent, because my boobs are really big, and I really say the right things, so holes to China I often dig. But I promise I have good parts, even with my awkward state, and I'll wake you from your nightmares, and to a date, I'm never late. I'll make sure to always kiss you, morning, noon, and night, and I'll smile at you the way I do, even if we fight. Now, I know I live miles away, here in this Air Force dorm, and I don't make all that much money to keep you safe and warm. And I know that I don't have much time to sit and talk and Skype all day, but I promise every chance I get, I'll use to try to make you stay. I know I shouldn't ask of you what I've been keeping on the shelf, but I toss and turn at night from the thought of you with someone else. So I tried my best to save this for the very, very end. So here it goes. I'll spit it out. Will you be my girlfriend?